Can I make a cupcake for Damien?
Okay. Can't eat this cupcake though.
Yeah.
Where did that go?
On the bowl.
We have Play-Doh on the bed, Play-Doh on the floor. Oh, this is going well. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, I have a cute little guest. I got Chloe with me today. It's been a while since you've been on my channel. I think the last thing we did was we made that fruit mince pies around Christmas time. That has been quite a while. Do you remember?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
You were so little. But yeah, I mean, I suppose it was, what, 6 months ago? 7 months ago. Gosh, time is flying. So every week the daycare center has been sending us booklets of activities for her to do, which I thought has been really nice of them because it's keeping her busy. There's been recipes in it as well, recipes to make biscuits, and there's one to make paint. So we made the paint and we did the activities. And this time they've sent us a recipe to make Play-Doh. I thought that would be really fun. I've never made Play-Doh before, so I really hope it's going to work out. So the first thing we're going to need is a cup of flour. Because we're going to make 4 different colors, I'm just going to divide the recipe up between these 4 bowls. There you go. So we need 1 cup of flour per bowl. Oops. I almost dropped this whole thing. Okay, you can tip it in. We are making a mess. Anyway, last bowl. After the flour, we need 6 tablespoons of salt per bowl. Okay, now that we've added in our flour and our salt, the next thing is to add in 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar per bowl. That's 1, 2. Next bowl. Last one. Oh, that was a bit too much. So next we need 2 cups of lukewarm water. Slowly because it's going to go everywhere.
It looks like some slime.
It does, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, it's just enough. Oh, it's about to overflow. I might need to like sift it a little. Not sift it, whisk it a little. It's looking a lot better after I've whisked it a little bit.
A white bowl?
Anyway, not this one though.
Maybe that one.
Okay. She get it all over your top now. No. Next we need a tablespoon of oil. Let's just add the oil to this one. Ooh, do you see that?
That looks like an egg.
It does, yes.
Let me get it.
Okay, so these 2 are ready for the food coloring, but I'm just going to do the next 2 and then we'll add the food coloring all at once. So what colors do you have? Show them. What colors do you have?
Green. Blue.
And blue. I got some pink and yellow. Okay, let's start. So just a little bit of food coloring.
You're gonna pour slowly.
Yes, you can pour slowly. So just a little bit of food coloring per bowl. Now that we've added all the food coloring to our Play-Doh, it's time to put it on the stove. It says to just keep on stirring on medium heat until the Play-Doh pulls away from the sides of the pan. And then after that, we're going to cool it down in these silicone cupcake holders, and then we can play with it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
On the table?
On the table, yes. Or wherever you want to play with it. So, let's get this on the stove. Which one should we put on the stove first?
Maybe the pink.
Pink. Okay. Let's do this. You got it all over your tub. Knew this was going to be a messy one. Well, it is always messy when I work alone, so I mean, me and my mini-me, we are definitely going to be messy together. I'm going to put it all in. Must I tip some of it? You're going to scoop it all?
Yeah.
Okay. Smells like Play-Doh. This color is honestly so beautiful. I cannot wait to see how this turns out. I just really hope it's going to work. Keep your fingers crossed. Okay, we'll put it on the heat.
Yeah.
And we're going to have Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Keep your fingers crossed, hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sure we will. The heat up a little bit too high at first. It's not sticking to the bottom or the sides or anything, but it's a little lumpy. But then again, after it cools down, you do need to knead out the Play-Doh. So I think when I knead it out, then it will get rid of all these lumps. We'll have to see what happens with other colors. But I feel like it's growing, like it's getting bigger. I didn't expect it to. We're gonna have a lot of Play-Doh. I would have made less. You see, it's looking like Play-Doh, so it's definitely working out. It's looking right. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this. It's definitely looking right. I don't know about cooling it down in the little cupcake holders my daughter said we're going to cool it down in because it's so big. I think this is good. Yeah. I'm going to take it off the heat and leave it to cool. So I made the first one while you were inside getting yogurt for yourself, and obviously got it on me. So I just wanted to show you quickly. You know you wanted to put it in here to cool down. Yeah? So the pink one's ready, but the pink one grew a little bit.
I do see the pink.
So it's not going to fit in that little holder right now, but we can put a little bit in there to cool down, okay?
Okay.
Okay. But yeah, it's quite a lot. Like, I didn't expect it to come out this big. But it definitely held its shape and it looks like Play-Doh. So once it cools down, you can knead it out a little bit. It's going to be a lot smoother and yeah. Smells like Play-Doh, looks like Play-Doh. I'm very happy with the way it came out. I'm just going to put a little bit in here. It's almost like, oh, it looks like a cupcake.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I wanted to make a cupcake.
I
also.
know, yes. Up really fast, and I have the stove on really slow, so really doesn't take much at all for it to start cooking in a way, I guess.
Cooking it away?
Yeah. So depending on your stove type, mine was approximately 3 minutes to get the Play-Doh to form. It worked! I'm so happy with the way this came out. You know, when stuff goes on the stove, it can go either way. You can either undercook it, overcook it, burn it in my case, but it actually worked. That's why I avoid making stuff on the stove. I'll always bake or make stuff that doesn't require using a stovetop. But I think they came out really well. The colors are incredible. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. So we have a pink one. I think it's so pretty. Plus your little one. What'd you say? Plus your little one. She's got her little cupcake one as well. We got a pink one. Yellow one. The colors really like popped when you put it on the stove. Yeah, a blue one and a green one.
Mm.
Show them the green one.
Mm.
So this came out so well. Next thing we have to do is just knead it until it's all smooth, because there are like little lumps here and there. It's cooked and like pulled together. I think cooked's the right word, but it pulled together from the side of the pot really quickly. It was about between 2.5 to 3 minutes, and then it was ready. So you have to work really fast, and I see what they're saying about stirring consistently. So now we're just going to knead it down a little bit and get it to the right texture. It pretty much is there though. I mean, it's looking really good.
Whoa, is it gooey?
Yeah.
Gooey.
It'll get better once it cools. So you're just gonna flatten it like that.
Ooh. That's not it. Oh.
You got it? And then you lift it up like this, turn it over the whole time. But it needs to cool down some more. It's definitely not cool enough yet. I'm going to go wash my hands. I just want to spread this out so it can cool nice. Ooh, that looks cool. I really like that color.
I need to cut. And lift it up. Lifting it up. Time to lift it up.
Let me go wash my hands.
That looks like some rocks.
Rocks?
Yeah.
You're cutting rocks?
Then there's lift it up and put it on there, and lift it up and put it on there, and get the yard bit. Get the yard bit. Get the yard bit.
I thought they're in a swimming pool. Are they getting their hair done?
Yeah.
Are they in the bath?
Then there was.
They're in the bath.
Yeah.
So this is my salt and pepper shaker. Oh well, we just won't eat that salt and pepper. They're getting their hair washed.
It's so hard to get out. Then to play with them because it's so hard.
Yes, and then we can make a few things out of Play-Doh. Let me get the rest of the colors. I only got the blue here so far. So putting it in the fridge soon after it came off the stove was definitely a great idea, because it is rolling so nicely. It's barely sticking to my hands, like practically clean. Have you enjoyed making Play-Doh?
Yeah.
You glad we did this?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was actually fairly easy to make, very few ingredients. It seemed to work out really well. I mean, we got Play-Doh. We've got a lot of Play-Doh and plenty of colors. So we've just been making a few things. So far we've made a cupcake, which honestly looks so good. I feel like a cupcake now. So we got a cupcake, we got a pizza with many toppings on, another pizza, and of course have to make a snowman whenever you have Play-Doh. So I'm really glad that we decided to make this today, because it was actually really simple. So I just hope that it's going to last long. Hopefully we're not going to mix all the colors together straight away today. Okay, we're going to keep the colors a little separate. A little bit. I forgot how relaxing Play-Doh is, so I am really enjoying this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like down below and subscribe for more videos to come. I'll see you again soon with a new video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.